Thank you. So I've just told Victor he stole my joke, so I want to begin like this. So I have bad news for you, of course. So drinks to wait for 10 minutes. The good news is this presentation only lasts for 10 minutes. So you can endure this, I think, altogether. Yeah, so. Okay, then first slide, please. This one. Okay. So I want to continue based on that what Brixilda just said kindly to us here. WSS Online Plus, of course, offers the whole process chain linked data of Deutsche Börse. So we have data stemming from the issuing process. We have data stemming from custody settlement. We have data stemming from the trading parts here. And based on this, we have built our application on. So we have a tailor-made searches, a search management involved here in WSS Online Plus, which enables you to search for, as I said, listing data, settlement data, custodian data, and so on. Then, of course, on top of this, we have special services built from our side. We have this kind of customization. So users are in the position to create tailor-made result tables and tailor-made detail screen. I can show this shortly in the presentation. Other topic, of course, is a major asset of WSS Online Plus is to compare different data sources. We have involved here WM data, of course, but also the major data assets from Clearstream Banking Luxembourg and Clearstream Banking Frankfurt altogether. So from the whole issuing process. And the market, of course, as you may know, especially here Frankfurt-based, of course, the demand that, of course, WM and Clearstream align their data really. And you have the possibility only via this tool as well to align this data via tailor-made searches and comparisons. Target 2, already Brixilda told you about here. This is also some kind of first-hand data we offer to you via WSS Online Plus here. So the XML feed is replicated as well in WSS Online Plus. Yeah. Last point I would like to mention here is then ESMA. Some years ago, we integrated the ESMA data feed, so the first reference data, and the FRTRS data, so the calculation, transparent calculation regime into WSS Online Plus as well. Also possible to enhance this, of course, with tailor-made result tables here and detailed screens as well. So then I would like to go on to the short, as we said, only 10 minutes, live presentation here. So you can then switch to my PC. Okay, so as you see here, this is the first glance, so one of the most pivotal searches involved in WSS Online Plus. This is the instrument search. As I have spoken already about the different data sources, you may have well the option to search on this page then via source. So as some kind of default involved is here always WM and GDB, but of course, as I said, you can tailor-made also this search here to ingest ESMA data, cash market data, and Malta, Bulgaria was the topic before as well, to search for different items. So we would like to present some kind of short, tailor-made search for you. This would involve then collective safe custody data, and we can search here for product group, for example. We can take bonds as some kind of example. And we say these instruments, of course, are active. So you're interested, of course, in the bank for custody settlement into active instruments. So now we have included collective safe custody, active, and bonds. And now it's possible to search when you're interested in new issues, for example, based on some dates here, -5 and +5, tailor-made to search for your special department within your bank, within your company, for all new issues involved, all bonds, from the 5 last days till 5 days into the future. And what is possible now here, that you can store this search. You can then provide some kind of name. So it's about issue date, what's the basis. So this can be stored. So now each time you would not have to anymore include this search anew or start this search anew, but then you can have made this tailor-made search open again. We have to save, okay. We're closing. So now you see the down button here, load search. Again, load your special search. You're involved here. Issue date. Yeah. So each time you want to search, and you can even have this exported automatically. This is another tailor-made feature of our application, that it's possible to have this not only then manually uploaded, manually started, but also you can have this automatically then by the stored searches button here. You see here the instrument folder. You see here issue data. This is what we just stored within the application. So and now we can have this automatically exported. So for the export, we have a maximum of 2,000 data records for the time being. We have CSV and Excel sheets. And you see here the button to tick compare sources. So which means you could then combine WM and GDB clearstream data, yeah, to have this indicated at the execution time you choose for your institution. So when you say for your special department you need the data, for example, at 7:30 in the morning, each day of the week, yeah, you can store this. And this will be then sent to your automated ingested email address each day at 7:30 in the morning. So that this is one option to have some kind of tailor-made search involved to your system. So not to go to the system each morning and to have this ingested manually again. So how does this look like? So some kind of report then will be generated here. You see at the bottom level here, so export deferring. So what does this mean? You see here an ISIN twice or an ISIN once. ISIN once means, for example, the second row, only WM delivers the special data. And that means also, if only is indicated yellow here, this means all of the data records are defer, which means we have differences for all of the data records between clearstream data and WM data. Because you see here this folder down here, this is empty. We have no data here. So why is this the case? There are differences maybe in the data itself, but it's also a reality that the data providers WM and GDB have different fields available. So it means sometimes a GDB clearstream field is filled and a WM field not, on the other hand. Yeah. But anyway, this is some kind of first example how tailor-made procedures, features may be used in WSS Online Plus to help you in your daily, day-to-day work. Okay, this is one example. Another feature I would like to present is then some kind of tailor-made help function with some kind of field search. So this is some kind of metadata, what you may use here in the end. You can search here for special field IDs. For example, WM product group. So, and you see some kind of list where this field, this product group is involved in the end. And there, when you click especially on this row, on this field, so some other icons open here and folders where you see here, for example, the field properties. Yeah? So which means the name in English, name in German, a more detailed description of the field in the end. And also here, when lookup tables are involved, you see the individual values of these lookup tables. So you may ask, okay, is this updated regularly? Yes. So for each WM release and also each clearstream release, we ingest the new data values, so to speak. Yeah, so it's updated on a regular basis. So this is some kind of metadata facility feature also in WSS Online Plus, which you might use, which was not, of course, available before within the host system. Yeah. This is why we took the decision last year to move, of course, all your dear customers to WSS Online Plus, not to use the host again, because this is then here the future. Yeah. You're still in time, or submit? Good. Okay. So then another feature, the configuration. Configure user settings. So as a default, so when you use the instrument search, WM and GDB data is indicated. But of course, this can be changed. Yeah, this, you can say that only maybe here we have the providers, that only Clearstream data is then selected once you open the instrument search. This can be stored also here. So if you look now at the instrument search, so this has changed now to GDB Clearstream data only. So this means you can use individual user settings for your special purposes if you're interested in more WM data or Clearstream data to have this tailor-made for your special purposes. Okay, these are just 3 features as we have only 10 minutes altogether. So I don't want to stand in the way too long between you and the drinks. Are there any questions from your side?